Today unboxing is our Singapore very own SBS transit bus, and that's the Volvo B8L model from Tiny Hong Kong. I'm really delighted that Tiny has once again made casting based on our Singapore vehicle. My previous unboxing video was the SCDF ambulance from Tiny, and now our very own commuter bus. Box wise, it shows our Singapore bus in a very distinctive color. Behind are the social media channel for Tiny Hong Kong. Includes the decal as well. I believe it's water slide. I'm not going to apply it for this time. First impression, the bus looks solid. It's a mirror of our daily commute bus on the street. The color is very accurate in lime green. What I really like is the tiny details on this casting. Not sure about the scale is not stated. I'm not really into bus, but I got this casting because it has our Singapore brand. This is the actual first B8L bus that's running on our street in 2018. Even the bus service number and the license plate is accurate. Hence a big thumbs up to Tiny Hong Kong for accurately portraying our bus. Minor details includes the handicap sign and the painted headlights, which is quite impressive. Even the service number 94 on the digital signboard is accurate. Interior of the bus comprises of yellow seats. The entrance and the exit are accurately represented. For a local bus, you enter from the front and exit from the back. But it's interesting that in some country like Kyoto, you enter from the rear and exit from the front. Even the rear looks accurate, and this bus is highly realistic. Wheel set wise is plastic and not rubber. I have to verify it. I think Tiny did a great job of replicating it. Very happy to add this bus into my collection. Also a very happy Singaporean. More Tiny unboxing video coming right up. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.